When it comes to cloud computing, Microsoft Azure is a leading and widely adopted platform after AWS. Many businesses like Adobe, LinkedIn, Airbnb, and BMW are already using Azure Cloud Services to create and manage their software. In terms of revenue, Azure grew by 90% in 2023, whereas AWS just grew by 16%, although it is the leading cloud platform. Not only that, the adoption of Azure Cloud is comparatively higher than that of AWS owing to its competitive pricing. Thus, many predict that Azure will take over AWS and will become the leader in the cloud computing market space. Now, considering these facts, if you are looking to build your career in cloud computing with a specific focus on Azure, then you must be thinking about doing the professional certification. But how do you decide if the particular certification is the best one? I mean, if you simply go to the web and search for Azure certification, many course providers and edtech organizations pop up. Considering the resources available, making an informed decision becomes difficult for many. And to help you address this challenge, we have brought you this video. With this video, we'll take you through the best Azure course syllabus that every course structure must contain. You can map the proposed course curriculum in this video with the course you have shortlisted, and you'll know if it is the best program for you and if it aligns with the industry demands right now. But before we dive into course syllabus discussion, make sure to subscribe to our Intellipaat YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update coming from our end. So guys, whether you are a beginner or not, it is very important to clear the fundamentals first. Hence, any top course program will always start with an introduction to the basics such as what is cloud computing, what exactly Microsoft Azure is, and how Microsoft Azure services differ from the other cloud service providers. Once you are clear with these simplistic points, the course should generally take you through the terminologies that you will be dealing with, how the Azure cloud works, etc. Next up, the course should take you through the critical services and tools one by one. For instance, the very first technical module could be ARM and Azure Storage. ARM stands for Azure Resource Manager. It basically helps you manage the organization's resources within the Azure cloud. Whereas Azure Storage is a cloud-based storage offered by Microsoft that enables you to store and access data from anywhere on the web. In this section of Azure Storage, you'll be dealing with Azure Table Storage, Azure Queue Storage, Azure SAS, Azure Storage Replication, and much more. Once you are clear with ARM and Azure Storage, the next concept that a course should introduce to you guys can be Azure VMs. Azure Virtual Machines is a digital version of a physical computer that allows you to store data, connect to networks, and perform other computing tasks. Also, you'll get to learn various virtual machine terminologies such as Azure VMs and interfaces, ARM templates, VHD templates, and much more. The course should also cover concepts such as the Azure App and Container Services. Azure Container Services or ACS is a platform that is used for deploying and running containerized applications in the cloud. Only theoretical learning and exploration is not going to be enough. A course must contain multiple hands-on sessions and assignments based on the above tools. You should be given a free hand in exploring deployment slots, container images, Azure Kubernetes services, Azure networking, authentication, and authorization using RBAC, Microsoft Azure Active Directory, and Azure monitoring as well. Azure provides a total of 200 plus cloud services. So guys, definitely learning journey is not going to conclude at this particular point. Whatever the topics we covered till the point, build the basics for any cloud service provider. But here on forward, for you to become employable, you need to determine what role you want to get into. Do you want to become solution architect, DevOps engineer, developer, or SysOps admin? Once you make the choice, then the further learning trajectory can be defined. Right now, the syllabus that is appearing on your screens should ideally be there in any course if you want to work on Azure DevOps. Similarly, if you want to create infrastructure for building applications, then this is the syllabus you should prepare for. If you are looking to build your career in Azure IT infrastructure for business, then this is the syllabus you should prepare for. And if you want to create and run apps on the Azure system, then the syllabus that is available on your screen is something you should prepare for. I hope now you guys are clear with this, and I hope this video will help you make an informed decision about choosing the right Azure course. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.